Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into HSBC online banking account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will guide you through on this video, and then you can log into your bank account as well. First of all, just open up your Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for HSBC Bank Login. And after doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the first thing that shows up. And here, this will take you to the official website of HSBC. And here, you need to input your username to continue to your bank account. But in case you forgot your username, you can use this button "Forgotten your username" down here to help you reset and retrieve it. After entering your username, you can tick this "Remember Me" box if you are using your private computer. But I would not recommend you do so if you are on a public one. Now, after entering your username, just hit on continue, and then you'll be taken to a different page where now you need to input your password as well. And after inputting your password, you can just hit on continue or login, and then you'll be logged in into HSBC banking account. And this was for this video. That's how you can log in into your online banking account. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found that video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video.